What if a delicious and healthy dessert could be made with just 3 main ingredients? Perfect for New Year celebrations, we're making air fryer baked banana pudding that's ultra creamy, naturally sweet, and incredibly easy to whip up. But this isn't just any ordinary pudding. The combination of ripe bananas, milk, and eggs creates a silky, melt-in-your-mouth texture. And the best part? It's cooked in an air fryer, making it a healthier option without sacrificing flavor. Ready to discover a new level of deliciousness? Let's get started. First things first, crack 2 or 3 eggs into a glass of 150 milliliters of milk. You can use full cream milk, almond milk, or even cashew milk for a healthier version. Add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, and whisk it all until well combined. Add some vanilla extract. Set it aside for now and prepare 3 saba bananas. But before that, I'll prepare the mold so that once the bananas are ready, we can immediately place them in the mold to prevent them from turning brown. Grease the surface of the mold with enough butter. Slice the saba bananas. Saba bananas, also known as cardaba bananas, are a versatile and nutritious variety native to the Philippines and widely grown across Southeast Asia. Unlike regular dessert bananas, saba bananas can be enjoyed both ripe and unripe, making them perfect for a variety of dishes. Rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamin C, saba bananas are not only delicious, but also highly nutritious. They are a staple in Filipino cuisine, featured in popular dishes like turon or fried banana spring rolls. If you're interested, check it out at the end of the video. Arrange the banana slices inside the mold. If you like, you can add a bit of sugar or a natural sweetener, like I did, to the milk mixture for extra flavor. Pour the milk and egg mixture into the mold until it's full. For a finishing touch, sprinkle black sesame seeds on top as a garnish. Place the mold in the air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius or about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes until the pudding rises and is perfectly cooked. The result? A pudding with a soft texture and a natural sweetness that's hard to resist. Easy to make, healthy, and full of flavor. This air fryer baked banana pudding is truly the perfect way to sweeten your New Year's celebration. Add your creative twist and enjoy it with your loved ones. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments. See you in the next recipe.